Hi, this is Chris from JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, so if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you'd buy a watch from JazzTime.com once in a while. My name is Chris. I'm introducing the Rolex Datejust 31. This is the reference model number 178240. It's a 31mm automatic watch from Rolex. This particular watch originally comes with a stainless steel domed bezel. We've actually replaced this stainless steel domed bezel with a diamond bezel. And we replaced the dial as well with a custom white mother of pearl Roman dial with the diamond 6 at the 6 o'clock position. Hopefully you can see the shading on that mother of pearl. It's beautiful. For the watch, this watch actually has, we can actually customize these dials in different colors. So if you'd like a dark mother of pearl or a pink mother of pearl dial, we can do that for you. If you'd like diamonds on the hour markers, we can do that for you as well. You could get a lot of different colors to choose from: silver, pink, brown, black, white, blue, or purple. We can do it. Now the bezel on this watch, again, I said, is a diamond bezel that's replaced the stainless steel bezel. Definitely kicks this watch up a notch. There's also references another model number which has a factory diamond bezel, which is a 178384. And the case on this watch, again, is a 31mm case. This is the size that most girls are going after these days. It's not too small, not too big. It's great for an everyday wear watch. If you turn it over to the side, you're going to notice that this is a crown here. It does screw out or unscrew to make it waterproof or water resistant. This watch is actually water resistant up to 100 feet or 100 meters or 330 feet. Now pulling it out to the farthest out position, you'll be able to adjust the time here, the hour and minute hand. If we pop it in one click, we should be able to adjust the date. Hopefully you can see that there. And if you pop it out into the first position where it's about to screw down, you can actually wind this watch. You're winding this watch about 15-20 times. That'll give it a good charge. And you can let your wrist movement do the rest of the work and charge this watch or wind this watch for you. This watch has a 2-day reserve. So you could actually set this down on the weekend and pick it up on a Monday morning. You could still be running. You just pop that right back on your wrist. Now going to the bracelet on this watch, like I said, this is an Oyster bracelet. 3 links across with a high polish in the middle, satin finish on the sides. It has an Oyster bracelet and deployment. This is the deployment that will open out. Open up like so. It also has what's called an easy link feature, which allows your wrist to, this watch to open up roughly about 5 millimeters. It allows your wrist to breathe. If you get hot during the day, your wrist is going to swell. So you might need this so that your watch doesn't strangle your wrist. This watch also comes on a Jubilee bracelet. If you choose that option, that would be 5 links across with the middle 3 links high polish like a mirror finish and satin finish on the side. Movement that is in this watch is a 2-2-3-5 movement. Like I said, it's roughly a 2-day movement. There's plenty of charge left on that watch for you to go about your business. Now if you'd like to buy this watch, you can buy this on jazztime.com. You'll see it under the reference number 178240. Again, this is Chris over at JazzTime. Thank you very much for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.